is a new useful tool that I'll be discussing for the first time here on the channel that will assist you in making simple money online. Now, this program works all across the world, and if you follow all the steps in this video, you'll be able to easily set up this passive income stream and begin making money online. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything on how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. Okay, so here's the website that we'll be using today to make money online. It's called Eclincher.com. As soon as we enter this platform, we can see that this is a social media management tool. It will essentially take care of your social media profiles. And the reason why so many individuals need their social media managed for them is that they are either unable or unwilling to do so. And I'd say that the majority of visitors to this website are business owners. Because let's face it, how much time do you have to manage your social media if you're running a business? It's not much. And this tool is ideal for such people since it will not only manage their social media for them, but it will also help them expand, allowing the business owner to earn more money. As a result, social media now is an important aspect of running a business, as seen by the fact that some of the world's largest corporations have Instagram, Facebook, and other social media profiles. Now, given that I know the majority of you who are watching this do not own a business, how is the website going to bring us money? Well, I want you to stay tuned because I'll show you how we'll get paid soon enough. More information about this website can be found here. Take a look at some of the options available. But as I said, since we're not clients, all of the features are irrelevant to us. Now, the very first thing we need to do is scroll to the very top of the page. Right here, hover your mouse over Company and then select Partner Affiliate Program. As we'll be promoting this website as an affiliate, which will make you extremely well compensated. You will earn between $50 and $100 for a single person you recommend. If you recommend 100 visitors to this website in a month, you might even earn anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000. As a result, it has a lot of potential to pay you, and it only gets better from there. Not only do you get paid a lot of money, but there is an endless pool of potential customers for Eclincher. As you can see, over 3.6 billion people used social media worldwide in 2020, according to this graph. In 2025, this figure is expected to reach over 4.41 billion. There are millions upon millions of people around the world that can run a business and require assistance with their social media accounts, and they are all prospective consumers. Before we go any further, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment down below for me to review. Now let's get back to work. One of the brilliant offers of this site is their 14-day free trial, which makes it much easier to encourage someone to test it out. This is a great opportunity for you to prove that this site is legitimate. As I'm sure most of you know that the most difficult part of affiliate marketing is convincing someone to try out a site or product you're promoting. But needless to say, the 14-day trial will put you in the position to have a limitless pool of potential clients. And finally, you'll be compensated greatly whenever you recommend someone here. Anyway, to join their affiliate program, click on Apply here. Then fill out the following information. First, your email address. Second, your first and last name. Now, these three sections can be left blank because they are not required to be filled out, as not every affiliate will have a firm or a website. Third, your country. And now is the ideal time for me to demonstrate what you saw in the introduction. Just have a look at this list of nations offered on this website. This works anywhere in the world, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from. After you've chosen your nation, you'll be prompted to provide your address, phone number, password, and social network links. To complete the procedure, check this box to agree to their conditions. Then fill out this CAPTCHA and click Sign Up. The next step is to get approved into their affiliate program, which will take a few hours. However, once you've done so and received an email from them, you'll be able to get that affiliate link, and you'll be paid if someone clicks on it and then signs up for Eclincher. And now that you have that link, it's time for me to show you how to attract traffic, and I have the perfect method for you. It's as simple as using freelancing websites such as Fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, freelancer.com, and others. Let's say I'll pick Fiverr as an example, but keep in mind that everything I'm about to say applies to all of them. Now you'll want to type social media management into the search bar. So you want to find and contact people who are in charge of other people's account. And these are ideal customers for us. Why? Consider that for a moment. They have a lot of clients contacting them, and they have to handle all of these accounts on their own. They do not have a lot of time on their hands, even if they are paid a lot of money, like this person here who charges $200. And what do you think will happen if you show them a program that will allow them to manage considerably more accounts for a minimal cost and hence make far more money? The majority of them will be willing to give it a shot, which is why they are the ideal customers. Promote Eclincher to them, informing its many features, including the free trial. As a result, many people will be willing to give it a shot. And just to remind you, you'll need at least 10 individuals to try it out for you to make anywhere between $500 and $1,000 on the spot, which is insane. What I want you to imagine is the number of people you can contact from these different sites to earn lots and lots of simple money. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out our other videos. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.